Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the review for Monday, heading into Tuesday, there's a pattern that I'm looking for, and as with everything in trading, there is no guarantee of how this is going to play out into Tuesday and Wednesday, but I want to give you some important above-below levels and a few maps that I am looking at for Tuesday and into Wednesday. So we begin with the idea of basically just giving you a very simple level. That is to say, the 876 in the Nasdaq continuous futures is an important above or below level that I'll be following heading into tomorrow. So you can see with today's trade, it kind of magnetically is drawn down into there, being tested right into the close. Has a decent bounce up off of it, and if we get into tomorrow's session and we are above, I actually think there is a case to be made for some short-term bullish trades. Now, if we're broken and we are below that, well, then I'll have to take a fresh look at it and see what strikes me from there. But if that level of support is intact, I'm then going to be looking over to Tesla, and I would like to see if the name has a chance to hold 723 and then run back into 750 before the earnings. So really just a Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday trade, and I think fits the short-term nature that's been kind of beneficial of this market. You can see here where the 50, 55 simple moving average has been resistance, so we'll have to keep that in mind. But if the Nasdaq can hold, if Tesla's above 723, I would like to entertain the idea of a test of 750. And then another name that shares a very similar relationship and also will require that the Nasdaq holds on is Google. So these are, I would say, very make or break levels. So we wake up on Tuesday, Google is down here below the 108. Well, then all bets are off. And we may be in an environment where a more significant correction is what we want to look for. But at least for now, I'm looking to see if these lows hold, the potential of having a little bit of a run for the next couple of days, and then maybe further into their earnings report. Those are always significant events to be aware of on the horizon. So those are just a few things that I'll be keeping in mind, and I hope you find them helpful as you get into your trading this week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.